If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Fortnite, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the stuttering. Step 1. Adjust game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Fortnite. Go to the Settings menu, select the Video tab, and reduce options like resolution, shadows, and effects to improve performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers to enhance performance and stability. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are consuming resources, which can free up CPU and RAM for Fortnite. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Go to Windows Update settings and install any pending updates, as these can improve system performance and compatibility. Step 5. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of Fortnite game files through the Epic Games launcher. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, potentially resolving stuttering issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite gameplay. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.